Hi Cortez, where you at now? Where you at? You are? You are where? We're going to Philippines. See you soon. Philippines. Where? Where is the airplane?
It's open. Oh no.
Oh wow. They have wheels also. Oh, where is the nose for the airplane?
No, it's all not. What the oh shit.
Wow.
What the oh we know.
They have nose also and they have windows. How about the wheels? Where is the wheels?
Wheels.
Oh, good job. Where is the wings? Wings.
Green.
Oh, wings.
I oh the moon.
Oh, you go to the moon. The airplane go to the moon?
Yes, it's you. Cool.
Wow. Very smart, baby. The airplane, they have a windows, they have a wings, they have a everything. Alright, guys. We are going to Philippines. We're having vacations because we apply visa for my daughter. So I hope it's going through. Ayan guys, update ko kayo. Share ko sa inyo yung yung process ng visa ng baby ko. Thank you.